Alright, green test, problem 4, the table problem. There's one kind of like this on the homework, so hopefully you spent some time making sure you understood that guy. But what we got to do is find, here's j of x is this big composition here, and what we want is j prime of 2. And if you follow the hint, it says first find j prime of x. So j prime of x is, well, we'll have to use the chain rule here, right? The derivative of the most outside thing times, now we've taken care of that, derivative of the next level, times, now we've taken care of the g, so we got to take the derivative of the most inside part, the h prime of x. So if you could get to there, then you got j prime of 2 is f prime of g of h of 2 times g prime of h of 2 times h prime of 2. And now we just got to go look up at the table to figure out all these numbers. H prime of 2. H prime of 2 is equal to 2. H of 2 is equal to 0. And then we want g prime of that. So g prime of 0 is 4 up here. And h of 2, we already figured out was 0. G of that, which is 0, is 1. And finally, f prime of that, f prime of 1 gives us a 4 right here. So our final answer is 4 times 4 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. Part B, kind of similar. Now we want to find the derivative of this guy. Again, it's a chain rule. The outside function is this f here. So we want k prime of x is equal to f prime of, leave the inside alone, and then multiply that by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of the inside is g prime of x minus h prime of x. If you got to here, you definitely got some of the credit for it. But to finish the problem, we got to figure out k prime of 3. And what that is f prime of g of 3 minus h of 3 times g prime of 3 minus h prime of 3. K prime, okay, so let's see, working from the inside out, g of 3 minus h of 3 is what we got on the inside here. G of 3 is 3, h of 3 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So what we want is f prime of 2. F prime of 2 is 2. So we're almost done. We know that all this stuff over here is 2. And then what we got to do is multiply that by g prime of 3 minus h prime of 3. Okay. G prime of 3 is 3. H prime of 3 is 4. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So our answer is negative 2. And that's the end of this one.